student of class 10. Children, you know there are mainly two types of systems, that are nervous system and endocrine system. Nervous system we have completed in the previous class. Today I will tell you about the endocrine system. First of all, I will tell you about the hormones. Hormones are chemical substances which are secreted by specialized tissue known as endocrine glands. So children, that endocrine glands secretes the hormones. Hormones coordinate different activities of our body. There are mainly two types of glands, exocrine glands and endocrine glands. You have to study only about the endocrine glands in your class. But I will tell you briefly about the exocrine glands also. Exocrine glands, it is a glands which secretes its product directly into the duct or tube, is known as exocrine glands. Like salivary glands which secretes its substances or product into the duct. So it is known as a duct glands. But endocrine glands is a ductless glands because there is absence of ducts. Whatever product directly secretes into the blood streams. So it helps to coordinate our body. So children, there are different types of endocrine glands such as pineal glands, parathyroid glands, pituitary glands, thyroxine glands, and pancreas glands, adrenal glands. Many more are there, that all we study. Okay children, let's continue our lesson. These hormones which is secreted by the endocrine glands. So these endocrine glands control and coordinate all the activities of our body. So children, I will show you the location of these endocrine glands in our body where it is present. Now first of all you will see here, here is presence of pineal gland which is present behind the brain. So after this there is the hypothalamus is present. This one is the hypothalamus. Now there is just below the brain presence of pituitary gland. See here, this one is the pituitary gland. So after this there is presence of thyroid gland in the neck. Then parathyroid also present here. Thymus also just below the neck at the base of the neck or trachea. So children, here is presence of pancreas gland also. This one, okay, below the stomach. And presence of adrenal glands above the kidney. This one is both the kidneys. You can see here above the kidneys there is presence of adrenal glands. Next is ovaries and testes also present in the human being. These all glands secretes the chemicals and coordinate our body. Now I will tell you about the different functions performed by these endocrine glands. Now first of all I will tell you about the hypothalamus. Okay children, the functions of this hypothalamus is to regulate the secretions of hormones from the pituitary glands. Okay, this one is the pituitary glands. This hypothalamus controls and regulates the secretion of hormones from the pituitary glands. That's why hypothalamus controls the pituitary hormones. So children, next is the pituitary glands. So children, this pituitary glands is one of the hormones secreted by pituitary gland, growth hormones. Okay, the pituitary gland secretes hormones. You have to remember the hormone, that one is the growth hormone. So children, the growth hormone controls the growth of the human body. For example, growth hormone controls the development of bones and muscles. A person having a deficiency of growth hormone in childhood remains very short and become dwarf. You can see the example. If in the childhood the secretion of growth hormone is less, this is the condition of children, their growth is dwarf or short. If the person having too much growth hormone, see the condition of person. If the person having too much growth hormone becomes very tall, okay, see the size. If less, the condition of person become like this. If too much, then condition of person like this, okay. So children, next I'll tell you about the thyroid gland. This thyroid gland makes a hormone called thyroxine, okay. Which hormone makes? It makes the hormones thyroxine. The functions of thyroxine hormone is to control the rate of metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and proteins in the body. Iodine is necessary for the making of thyroxine hormone by thyroid gland. Therefore, a deficiency of iodine in the diet can cause a deficiency of thyroxine hormone. Remember children, thyroxine hormone play a vital role. So children, in the body, the deficiency of iodine in the diet of a person produce less thyroxine hormone and cause a disease known as goiter. You can see here the person who is suffering from thyroxine hormone, if less secretion, then there is disease known as the goiter. Okay, such type of condition people suffer. So we must take the iodized salt to prevent this. Now all the salt you are getting, since there will be no deficiency of thyroxine hormone, goiter cannot develop if you take the sufficient amount of iodine in our diet. So children, next one is the parathyroid glands. There are 4 small parathyroid glands which are embedded in the thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland secretes a hormone called parathormone. Okay, it secretes the hormone known as parathormone. The function of parathormone hormone is to regulate calcium and phosphate levels in the body. So calcium and phosphate plays a vital role in our body. Our bones also, it plays the roles, important role. So that chemicals is secreted by the thyroid, parathyroid glands. Next one is the thymus gland. Thymus glands lies in the lower part of the neck and upper part of the chest. You have already seen in the diagram. Thymus gland secretes thymus hormone which plays a role in the development of the immune system of the body. So in our body we must have the immunity, strong immune system. Thymus gland is large in young children but shrinks after puberty. So children, thymus glands play vital role especially in the child body or children's body. So it is very important to have this all the glands which secretes the chemicals and regulate or coordinate our body. Next class, rest of the hormones I will teach you. Okay, next now you will go through this all and answer this question. Name the hormones secreted by pituitary gland, thyroid gland. Name the disease caused by the deficiency of growth hormone and the thyroxine hormone. State 1 functions each of growth hormone and thyroxine hormone. Name one gland which secretes these two hormones. Draw a well-labeled diagram to show the position of endocrine glands in the body. Okay children, good luck.